So now we're going to talk about one mean hypothesis z-test, and I'm going to go over the flowchart I made to help you understand the material. So the reason we use a one mean hypothesis z-test is when we know that the population standard deviation is given or there's a way that we can get it. Usually it's from the problems and it expresses it that this is the population standard deviation or the known standard deviation. So what you're going to do is you're going to get certain information that helps you solve the problem. And again, you might have sample data or you might be given everything you need in the problem. But the information you're really going to need is population mean, population standard deviation, sample mean, sample size, level of significance, and sample standard deviation. From there, you're going to determine the hypothesis for the problem, and it might help to fill in the blanks to help you. And again, remember the null hypothesis will have some kind of equal sign in it. It could be less than an equal, greater than an equal, or just equal. And remember, an alternative hypothesis will never have the equal sign in it. So when you have your information, you're going to put the information in Minitab, and then it's going to give you a z-test statistic and a p-value. Using the p-value and the level of significance, you can make conclusions. And it might help to use this table that if your p-value is less than or equal to your level of significance, you reject your null. But if your p-value is greater than your level of significance, you fail to reject your null. Make the proper conclusion using the original claim. So remember, go back to what your original claim was, see if your original claim was true or false, and then base the conclusion on that.